I picked up this product. It's a Naan roasted garlic bread. There are two in the package. It's a Tandoori oven bread, authentic taste, no artificial preservatives. Number of different suggested servings. And it says to bake, put it in a 400-degree oven for 2 to 3 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes from frozen. These are not frozen. So what I did, I took one of these and I added a number of different things to it that I had in the refrigerator. Had some leftover meatloaf. I have some mild cheddar cheese, white cheddar cheese. Underneath all that, there are a couple of pickled jalapenos. And also underneath that, I have some, even though it's roasted garlic naan, I roasted some more garlic to put on there. Red onions and green onions. And I'm going to bake this. It'll be something like a pizza, but without a tomato sauce. Of note is that the meatloaf does have a little bit of a tomato sauce on it, so that covers it a little bit. I did put some butter on the naan bread, so hopefully that I add a little bit of extra layer of flavor. So we're going to bake this and get our naan-inspired type pizza. My finished naan with refrigerator leftovers, meatloaf, onions, green onions, roasted garlic, jalapenos, pickled. Let's take a bite. Actually, that comes together very well. The only thing that I would probably add to this, and I'm going to do it, is some crushed red pepper. That'll give it a little bit of oomph. I got it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more from Sylvie, Lady of Q, in her kitchen.